In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off notifications for a channel on YouTube Mobile. Okay, so once you've loaded up the YouTube app, you can see at the top of the page, there is a little bell. If you tap on the bell, that is going to load up all your notifications. Now, let's say, for example, I want to turn off notifications for that first channel in the list. You can see 3 vertical dots on the right hand side of that notification. If I tap on that, you can see there's 2 options. I can hide this notification, which will remove it from my notifications list, or I can turn off all notifications for that specific channel. If I go ahead and select turn off, I won't be getting any notifications in this list from that specific channel. And that is pretty much it. Very quick and simple to do. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.